Hi everyone, welcome to the Sharp Painting channel. Today we want to draw the kite and tell a story. Sharp Painting. Once upon a time, the kite went up and went up until it reached the top. The laughter of kites filled the sky. The kite went here and there for a while and played, but he got tired and stopped moving. Kite stood on the point and looked down at the ground and the children who were looking at it. Little by little, the children also got tired. The children tied the string of the kite to the tree branch and returned home. But the kite was still standing at the top of the sky at one point and watching the airs. The kite knew that the children would come back and play with him in an hour. That's why he didn't get tired and was still happy waiting for the children. But an hour passed and the children did not come. The kite got tired. Another 2 hours passed. For the kite made it difficult. Did not know what to do. It was almost dark, but he was still left in the sky. He didn't like to stay there at night. He had to pull himself down. Kite had to be made heavy so that it could descend. If it was crumpled, it would definitely become heavy and fall. But this was not a good idea at all. Not kite likes to be crumpled. Just as the kite was ticking, suddenly a crow passed near the kite. Kite thought and happily called the crow. Kite asked the crow to tow him to the ground. The crow had a lot of work and wanted to return home, but he agreed. Crow took the kite and slowly went to ground. Crow has not yet reached the ground when the children returned. The crow let go of the kite out of fear and jumped away. Children took the kite home. They did not know that they should apologize to the kite. The story is over. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the Sharp Painting channel and activate the bell so you don't miss our beautiful painting and stories. So today's painting is finished. Until the next video, bye bye.